Hey everyone, welcome, and if you're new, hit that subscribe button. Let's be friends. So I'm playing with my Christmas gifts again. I'm trying the bloom technique, but before we get into that, it is New Year's Eve for me right now. So I want to wish everyone a happy New Year's Eve, and I hope 2022 brings you a fantastic year. Okay, perfect. So my first attempt at the blooms, I haven't put the videos up yet as in the making of this one. Didn't go that well, so I put some silicone oil, and they're actually not drying that well, so I'm not happy with them at all. So what I'm doing on this one is pillow paint is going to be my semi-gloss wall paint. My pouring medium, 3 parts untinted base to 1 part polyacrylic, and I have mixed those with my Liquid-X at 1 part Liquid-X to 5 parts pouring medium. So quite a change from my last attempt with just the Floetrol. So hopefully that will go good. I've seen a few different recipes on the pouring medium, and I know I've seen a few with the results online with the polyacrylic as one way to go. Other ones want gloss varnish. I think the original Shelly Art, who does this, created it, does actual gloss varnish, and polyacrylic is kind of a varnish. So I'm going to pour my pillow straight from my can of paint. So give me 1 second here. I've got one of those little covers on it that you can pour nicely from. There we go. So let's get enough pillow paint on here. Now this part is always hard to judge how much you need. And again, I haven't mixed anything with this. So there we go. We'll get this one out of the way. I've got this is a 10 by 10 canvas. I've got it taped down a little bit. You can see I've definitely been playing. My puppy pee pads are very gross and messy, but because this setup is kind of bulky, I want to use it as much as I can. And I would like to be able to make a nice bloom using different colors from last time. I know I should use the same colors so I can see it kind of the same on all the different techniques that I try. If I get some bubbles popped. Yeah, they're not really popping. We won't worry about that. Okay, so first up, I've got some blues, turquoise, burnt umber, medium magenta, and gold. White cell activator, that is Amsterdam titanium white to 3 parts Floetrol. So I made that yesterday, so it is still good. I put them in little squeeze bottles. But I'm just kind of looking at the colors going, which colors do I want to try? So I think, and the paint seems so thick. It is very thick. So if this is too thick, I'm going to go again, and I'm going to thin it down. If it's the right consistency, I'm still going to go again, because it will work, and I'll be happy. Let's get some turquoise. I haven't let my paint settle down, so there's lots of air bubbles, but I will torch at the end. I should be using bigger stir sticks. I think that would work better. But I'm hoping the gold will be very nice and leave that gorgeous metallic sheen. If you've ever worked with the gold, then you know once it's dry, it looks beautiful. When it's wet, not so much. And that's with any of the metallics. Really like this light color blue, so I want lots of that. Yeah, this paint is so thick. I know if I poured it out, it'd be different. But my first attempt at pouring, I got way too much in there. This is such a tricky process. I'm not quite at a third. So let's do just a little bit around there. I'm going to do a bit more the turquoise because I love this color. Come on, let's go. See, the nice thing about this is there's no rhyme or reason for when you're putting the paint down. So you can do what you like. But just gonna try and release the bottom. Don't know if it did anything or not. Okay, just clearing off the dried paint off the top of my little squeeze bottle because I don't want flecks of dried paint. This is my cell activator. Let's fill that up. Okay, I got my little, I'm not even sure what this is actually for. I think it was a blower to blow your coals for your coal barbecue, but we're using it for painting. It's very thick. I keep forgetting I can turn this. Down, then out. Down, then out. Down, then out. Down, then out. So this just blows cool air, so I'm not burning my paint. But it's really looking like the colored paint is a little too thick. See, it didn't blow out that much. There's a little bit of cell stuff going on. Just kind of letting it flatten back out here for a second. So, but yeah, I got a big, it wasn't for Christmas, but my husband had ordered a big squeeze bottle, like the ones you see in sandwich shops where they squeeze out the mayonnaise and ranch dressing and all that. He bought one of those for me, and that's what I put my pouring medium in, and kudos to him. Fantastic idea. So if you are looking for good squeeze bottles, so far I'm very happy with that one. Okay, let's give this a spin and see what happens. So there's spin number one. Okay, so we got a little bit of lacing going on. I know I've got the right consistency for my cell activator. I think I just need to add a little bit of water to my paints. Because you can see I'm not getting that lacing, even though this is looking beautiful. And it's fun to spin. So much fun to spin. Yeah, no, this is a tricky one to do, you guys. So if this is one you've been wanting to try, learn from my mistakes. Yeah, you see I got some unmixed paint there. Definitely, I think I had enough paint, just not, or too thick. Yeah, I put the pea pads, lined it up just to make it easier to clean. Okay. Yeah, got a little bit there. Definitely too thick, so I'm gonna thin out the paint I'm not sure how much. So what did I say? I had 5 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. So maybe I'll add close to 1 part water and do 5 1 and 1, something like that. But the colors are very nice. It's just unfortunate we didn't get the lacing, because that's the whole point of doing a bloom. I'm going to give it another spin. Why not? I said that's kind of the fun part. And I've learned you got to look for a dry section to spin from. See, this is getting all covered in paint. I used to have a bamboo skewer in here. Maybe I threw it out. Probably have done a cute little design in there or something. But I'll give it a quick torch just to pop any air bubbles. I don't think anything's going to happen. I'm going to bring out the big boy. But maybe I'll get some more cells. Amsterdam White usually brings up some good cells. Oh, and I dribbled right there. Oh, why didn't you guys tell me? Now I gotta spin it again. And try and get that off. That's like the basic rule of painting. I can't believe I did that. Alright, let's go again. Trying to follow it around and I'm going to make myself dizzy. That's right there. Still paint coming off, so might as well. You don't want too much paint. Looks like I'm going to be stuck with it. Well, there we go. Oh, it almost straightened up very nicely for you guys to get a peek at it. Ah, I really want that gone. I'm not sure if paint is flicking off the canvas or off my cake spinner, cake turner. Oh, less paint. I don't even know if you can hear the paint splattering. Okay, I think that's going to be about as good as it's going to get. Definitely an interesting painting. It is not a bloom. So let me tweak. And I'll be back for video number 2 once I get this one out of the way. So thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.